Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. Uh, Today, what I'm supposed to talk about is that we have been assigned to record a video, and the instructions are related with this week two assignment. That is, we have to record a video tutorial, and it includes what we need to record on Canva, that how to begin your online course. Now let's see how we are going to begin. As per the instructions, I need to read these instructions for a while so that I may incorporate in my course. It says that use a screen recorder, choose from the listed below, because these are the following steps we need to do it. Now first instruction is go into your course in online courses for free. Now see, I have already opened it, that the course which I have been given, or I have selected, what I must say, because it was on the discretion of the student, that which course you are going to select. Now course number 100 TESOL AI, I have changed the name. So I will teach you how we can change this. So let me click on this and move inside this um, you know uh, move inside this course. Now in this course, first I am going to change the edit mode. On the right top corner it is mentioned. I am just going to click it. Now it's on editing mode. I can add and change certain things. Now let's begin how we can see it, how it looks like. Now it is basically, it looks like this. If I'm going to click here, now I'll go back onto the course from the beginning. As you can see, that I have selected from here, my course number is 80, sorry, 100. So I am going to move inside the same course again. Now this course, I'm going to guide you to, that how I have changed this setting. If I'm going to go into the settings option, now this is the setting. From here I can easily, I mean, I'm going to change the name, so you can get the idea how I can change this name from here, because I have already changed the mode, and that is edit mode. Here I have just added TESOL AI with Danish Latif. If I'm going to change it like this, uh, AI with Danish, so it does mean that this is my course. I'm going to start and set it like this, and the setting is like that. And here is a brief description of the course. The course is designed for teachers who want to learn how to design a TESOL course. That's all. And we need to save it. Whenever we have something, we need to save it. But before that, I would like to go into the appearance, that what is basically in appearance. It has the number of announcements, shows, grade book, and all these activities included in this. Now save and display. I have just saved it, and I'm going to display the course. Now in this course, if I'm going to go into this, exactly in this course, what it shows, let's see. Now it has certain things we need to understand. Now it looks like this. And the second assignment for us was that we need to change the syllabus. The first, general setting, it is here, and we can change it. If for example I'm going to click on this, and I can change it from here. Let's see. Now see, there is the option of the view and edit setting. I'm going to click on edit setting. Now you can easily see that here it is written as a syllabus. And if I'm going to change it, syllabus and orientation, I'm going to change a little orientation. Now I have done this, and then again I have given the description. This this is this is a TESOL online course for free with Danish Latif. Okay. Now here, we have multiple options, text and the sorry, font color. I can change the font color. I can change the background as well. but I'm not going to change this so far. So I've just saved this setting. Now another thing is that we need to make certain changes with the topics. I have already changed, so I am just briefly telling how we can change it, how we can edit it. Now for example, we have introduction. I How I did all this, I just clicked on right side, there are three dots. I just clicked and there's the setting, editing, edit setting. If I'm going to edit it, and you can easily see that here is the introduction, and I have added here a brief description as well. And again, what we have to do it, we have to save it. And with the same procedure, we need to do all these parts: introduction, vocabulary, reading, listening, speaking, reading. Sorry, I have repeated, I'll delete this one. Writing and reflect and showcase. And last but not least, that is the certificate of completion. So all these things we need to do it in this way. So same is the case here. And then there is another thing. Let me go into the options available. We need to go into the there's another option. Let me uh, tell you. Let me go back and see the instruction. Now first I went to into the course for online courses for free, and then I access my course setting and add the name of my course. And then what I did, add the sections and the titles, and with the description I've already completed. And I've turned edit mode, which I have first in the beginning I told you. And then go into the aid activity resources. Now we are going to move into the part, go and add the activity. Now see, it is already there, but I'm going to move here. Just a minute. Here, now here is the option, add an activity or a resource. It means, for example, I'm going to make the static, because I have already done it, because I was trying to practice so that I can easily explain here. If for example I'm going to remove that, it is removed from this option, but these all these activities are already there. Again, I'm going to add assignment. If I'm going to add chat for example, so I need to make it blue, so that it will appear in star. Now see, assignment is there, chat is there, customized certificate is there, debate is there. This is how we need to do it. For example, all these activities are there. If all those which are below, it means I have already selected and I've start them, and they are inside in this area. And next we have resources. Here we have to add the file. For example, I have added file. It means if I would like to add a file or a page, I can add here. If I'm interested to add any page or a folder or a book or any text and a media area. So all these I have I'm sorry, I have already done it. For example, I'm going to click on this. Let's see what it appears. Now for example, it appears like this. What I need to do it, this is to make the appearance and change the display. For example, let me write here. I'm going to add here, for example, syllabus. Just a minute. Syllabus, and the course syllabus is here. The course syllabus. And what I need to do it, I need to upload from here. Drop, you can drag and drop, but if for example I'm going to click on this, it means I can access the material from here. Resend you, or there's the option of the upload a file. For example, I'm going to upload a file from my own course, from my own laptop. Just a minute. There, for example, I'm going to add this one. this is for example a syllabus. So I am going to upload this file. So all these were the instructions by Dr. Neely. So I'm just following all the instructions and trying to. Now what it says, save and display or save and return to the course. For example, I'm going to save and return to the course. I'm not going to display. Okay. Now it appears like this, that in activities and resources I have already added here, and we can access it from here. Now see, in the syllabus, if I'm going to click, obviously it appears in the shape of the document. Let's see what it appears. It says that I have downloaded it. It means I can easily download from here and access and read offline the material. And now let's see what is the next instruction. What it says that we need to start. I have already shared that I have started book, debate, diary, Facebook, and all these sticky note, URL, verbal feedback, and then change the title from general sections to overview and syllabus. Again, I repeat, let me change overview. I have, change a kind of a slight variety, syllabus and orientation. If, following the instructions as per the Dr. Neely, so I would like to follow exactly as per her instructions so that everything should be vivid and clear. Now what I have to do, change the title from journal to the overview and syllabus. Let me change overview and syllabus. Again, I must save because save is very necessary. If you are going to save, it will appear, and the changes will be shown. Now you can see here. Now see, overview and syllabus is already mentioned, so you can easily get the access from here. Now what we need to do it, last but not least, what it says, add the Google Doc as a syllabus under the resource file, and I have already done it. So there is no need to repeat the same, and that's all. Thank you very much. I hope everything is vivid and clear. If you have any kind of a question, you can ask. Thank you very much.